Hello, good morning, students. This is Mrs. Blanco. I'll be your math teacher for this school year. So, I am going to show to you how you are going to join our Google Slide interactive lessons. Ayan. So, ito ay parang PowerPoint presentation siya, but it is interactive, which means that whenever a question is flashed, you would be able to see it and then you would be able to answer it. It could be through multiple choice. Kung multiple choice question siya, pwede rin siyang essay type na question. Pwede rin siyang may bibilugan kang choices. Ayan. So, what you see right now in your screen as you are watching this video, you have two browsers there. Dalawang browsers yung nasa screen kasi dalawa talaga yung binuksan ko. Bakit? Kasi itong browser na nasa right, this would be the browser or that your teacher would be using, which is that would be my browser. And then here on the left, this would be a sample browser of a student joining or joining this interactive Google Slide presentation. So, ito yung sa student. Ayan. So, ito yung magiging guide nyo on how to join our Google Slide presentation. Okay? Interactive Google Slide presentation. So, ang gagawin nyo lang, ayan, sa screen ko, may lalabas yung waiting for students. So, that would be your teacher waiting for students to join the interactive Google Slide class or presentation. So, etong joinpd.com, type nyo lang dyan sa browser nyo. Joinpd.com. Lalabas naman siya agad. Pwede nyo i-enter right away pag nakikita kayo or you just finish typing it. Ayan, joinpd.com. And then, lalabas dyan enter code. It simply means that you have to enter this code. Ito, si IAU. So, IAU space XHP. So, may space siya. Yung code, nagbabago yan. Okay? Nagbabago yan every time magkaroon tayo ng interactive class. So, ime-message ko sa inyo yung code na i-enter nyo. Pero yung joinpd.com, hindi magbabago yan. Okay? That would always be the site that we would be going to for you to join the interactive Google slide. So how are you feeling today? If you feel happy, you can just click that. Or you could skip if you don't want to answer it. Okay, so isang student lang for this example kasi ako lang to. So, student na ako, teacher pa ako. By the way, you always have to use the your DepEd Makati account. Hindi ko alam ba't di niya hiningi ngayon. Siguro dahil nagamit ko na siya kanina. It would usually ask you to choose an account. You choose your DepEd Makati account. So, pag nakapili na kayo na account, ayan, lalabas na ito sa screen nyo. So, I would start my class. Ayan. So, hello. And then, first question would be, how is your internet connection? So, itong Pear Deck interactive slide, siya ang nagbibigay way sa atin para magkaroon tayo ng interactive lesson. So, ito sa answer question, you just have to click that. Pag click nyo, lalabas yung choices. So, how is your internet connection? Does it have an amazing speed? So, you can just click amazing speed kung maganda yung speed niya. Or you could say good. Or if you believe it's very slow, then very slow. Pero dun tayo sa good, positive tayo eh. Okay, so, yung responses niyo, makikita ko yan dito sa screen ko. Ito yung screen ng teacher, di ba? So, makikita ko yan dyan yung mga responses niyo. The good thing about this is, I would see all your responses, but I wouldn't know kung sino ang sumagot nun. So, hindi kayo dapat mahiya na mag-join sa ating discussion, join sa pagsagot, kasi, kahit na may mali kang isasagot, at least you tried, and I won't be able to know kung ikaw yung nagkakamali. But I would see kung ilan yung nagkakamali ng sagot, ilan yung tama yung sagot. Makikita ko yan. Yan. So, let's proceed to the next question. Yan. So, lalabas din siya sa inyong screen. What kind of gadget are you using? And then, ayan, you answer the question. You have two choices. Is it a smartphone? So, smartphone ba gamit mo? Or laptop? Ayan. So, pasok na dun sa smartphone yung iPhone, kung iPhone yung gamit nyo. Ayan. Android phone. Ayan. Kung laptop, yan, you can click that. And then, lalabas siya dito sa screen ko. Ayan, may 1 of 1 responses. Bakit 1 of 1? Kasi 1 student lang ang nag-join dito eh. Which is ako lang din. Ayan. And then, kung nalimutan nyo kung ano yung tanong, pwede nyo i-click yung show question. Mabalikan nyo yung tanong. And then, answer question. Yan. And then sa screen ko naman, if I would go to the next slide, so what are your feelings about this subject? Ayan, nag-load na sa slide nyo. So siguro ang average nito, mga 5 to 10 seconds no, bago mag-load sa screen nyo. It depends on the internet connection. So if you're having an amazing internet connection, siguro magkasabay lang talaga to. Ayan. So, what are your feelings? This is an essay type of question. Wala akong nilagay na choices. So, ang gagawin nyo lang is, you encode. You type your answer. So, I feel confident. Kung yun yung feeling mo. I feel confident that I will do great. Yan. Confident. Yan. So, lalabas siya dyan. Makikita ko yung sagot, actually. Ayan. Hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo paano kung makita ang sagot. Ayan. Next. Is online learning fine for you? And why? So, it's an essay question again. You can say, I like online learning because I can manage my own time. Yan. Sige. You can learn at your own pace. Or, pwede mo isagot, ayoko ng online learning kasi mahina yung internet connection. Wala akong mal-learn. Okay. You have a lot of choices actually. Maliban dun sa module, may yung sa USB na ibigay sa inyo, yung OTG na ibibigay sa inyo. So, may siya doon. May interactive lessons din siya doon. So, pwedeng ganun. Another slide. Ayan. What was your average grade in mathematics last year? So, answer the questions. Ayan. Greater than or equal to 90. So, 90 or above. Or is it greater than 84 but less than 90? So, that's 85 to 89. So, kung yan ang yung naging average last year, you can answer that. So, basically, ganito lang talaga. Okay? Ganito lang siya kadali, and then, ganito siya ka-interactive. So, I would see your answers, and then, you would have no worries on what you're going to answer because I wouldn't know kung sino yung sumagot nun. But, hindi naman disadvantage yon sa teacher na or sa student na hindi malalaman kung sino yung sasagot. The good thing there is hindi ka matatakot sumagot and meron tayong interaction, and dahil may interaction, for sure may learning na mangyayari doon. And you have to join actively if possible, because the questions that we are going to include in our Google Slide presentations would be questions that could also appear on your quizzes and your activities. So, at least, nakapagsagot ka, kahit mali yung sagot mo doon, nalalaman mo kung ano yung tamang sagot kasi didiscuss ko din yon. Okay, so do you think you can do better this year? Yes? Yan, circle mo yes. Wala kang choice kasi yes or yes. Ayan, so yan ang sinasabi na kahit na maliit na progress, so maliit na improvement, as long as it is an improvement, good pa rin yan. Okay? So, yes. Yes tayo dito. So, pwede itong yes sa kaliwa or yes sa kanan. Ayan. Pakikita ko 'yan, don't worry. Okay, makikita ko 'yan. Nakaharang lang kasi 'tong mukha ko dito. Nandiyan kasi yung, tool, na pipindutin ko para makita ko yung sagot niya mismo. Okay, sagot yung lahat. Sagot ng lahat ng mag-join na student.